As you can see, it's a nice day, clear skies. Decided to eat my fufu outside. Nothing else I'd rather have. I got some bro inside. That's a mix of ginger and boiled liver, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Got my cow foot here. I'm punching down. What do you call it? Rib cage, the emphy. What do you call it? Emphy? Yeah, something like that.
I play emphy.
What she said. What she said. Okay, it's time to sign quiet.
Kwame.
Ma.
What do you want to say?
Johnny there.
Pa.
The mix of the ginger and the bread raw. It's nice, it's nice. I feel sorry for the cameraman. He's my little brother, by the way. I know he wants to eat, but But he says he wants, emune abomu.
Emune abomu. And look, that's a bit. Into a different
Translation.
It's eating the same thing with that. No difference.
I was gonna translate, but it's hot, it's hot.
No shit.
So I'm saying, if you're from Kamazi, or you claim to be from Ashanti region, as in your parents or grandparents, and you don't like fufu and then you're not from there, yeah? You're not from there. The same thing that Asante Henny eats, the people have to eat. If you don't like the same food as the Asante Henny, how are you Asante? If you're not, it doesn't apply to you. You eat anything you like. But I'm just saying, don't claim.
Now, Kwame, who pay fufu power? Why?
I love it because it was one of the first things I had as a baby. My mum gave me the gift of swallowing fufu. Like, wow.
6 months old.
6 months? Oh, I thought I was 3 months.
Oh no.
Okay, 6 months old, I was eating fufu. To be honest, I didn't appreciate it as much. But when you get to a certain age, you miss what you grew up on. Time to have some nice fatty cow foot.
And then therefore, you can't know you salt.
But it's good, it's good.
You have to do it fast.
Me fufu.
Be free too.
Alright, so Charlie, how would you rate?
Sorry.
How would you rate? What would you rate this meal?
Rate this meal?
Out of 10, yeah.
If we was given this Michelin stars, I'll say this is what gives the chef or the restaurant 5 Michelins.
What's a Michelin?
It's a Michelin star, meaning the restaurant is top class. What I'm saying is, this is 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, if you like peppery things with a savoury staple with the fiery sauce.
But staple?
Staples like rice, pasta, fufu, plantain. That's what I mean by staple. The fufu is the staple. And then you've got like the sauce, the real flavour to have. Because you can't just have soup on its own. But it's beautiful. It's the soup that makes it beautiful. And that's why I like plantain yam with contomeri. I don't like palava sauce. I like palava sauce, but the oil is not. There's too much oil. But I like contomeri. But I don't like banku. That's the only thing. I don't know. It's nice, but it doesn't compete with fufu.
It's,
not on the same.
it's better than kenke.
I don't eat kenke with soup.
Oh yeah, no, I mean, if you're to compare.
Yeah, true.
Wait, so you just admitted that banku is better than kenke?
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant kenke is better than fufu, banku. Oh, sorry. In that case, no, I don't agree with that. Kenke is much better than banku. Banku is nice, soft, slimy, and even worse, you put okra soup onto it. I'm not a woman, I don't need okra soup. But anyway, I'll leave that for another day. I don't want to offend people. I love all the food, but just don't put too much okra in it. I'm a man. I like pepper. That's it.
I'm do okra to one kwa morning. I'm out.
Patch your baby.
What does that mean?
I don't. She's like. I'll scare watching me.
What does Pacho Debbie mean?
That's means please no.
If I told them.
This soup is. Whew.
Dude, wait, this is hot. I'm not eating it.
No, when it's cool down, it's fine.
It's hot and tasty. That's what I mean.
Aromatic, the smell, the flavor, the ginger, romance it.
But yeah, let's end it there. Because
Let's end it so Charlie can eat.
the people watching this, I don't want to torture them.